Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, September 15th. I'm Giovanni Benacourt, analyst, trader, and educator with Vantage Markets. All right, so we have seen how yesterday's ARM IPO session helped a lot the NASDAQ. We had a nice rally. 15,700 was really high. It's about a bit more. We quickly recovered from that, close and high. Today we are seeing a correction of that, a pullback. How much of a pullback we will see? Let's see if 15,600 internally will be that support level for it. It's a psychological round number, and then find more participants and taking another attempt at reaching 15,800 by the end of the day. That's what could probably encounter, or otherwise more about selling pressure, we have created a double top, and so that could uh, just continue to bring the markets lower. So around the marker of 15,520 is my support. As for the S&P is a bit different, uh, but however, internally I'm looking at 4550 for this pullback to continue and see if we'll find more support. Another attempt at taking it higher. On the Dow has also had it was in the green earlier. Now it's also just kind of looking its way to find some support. Let's see if that support that it's looking for can be found around 35,250 initially. Okay, and now if it continues just to continue to trade lower, we're gonna go by the round numbers. But initially, I'm thinking that this is just setting up itself for another attempt at least towards 35,400. And then we have crude oil. Crude oil uh, yesterday had a nice green day, nice momentum to the upside. Today we are in a correction. Okay, so we did fluctuate above 91 briefly, then quickly retrace below it. So let's see if $90 will be that psychological support number for it, and to take another attempt at reaching 92. I'm still having $95 as my target. Perhaps it won't be met today, but we'll see it next week. That 95 is marking a moment where the market created a double top back in August, around the fall, well, right around the end of August. I think it was August 22nd of last year. So it created a double top right around that number. So I'm just using that as a target. Then we have here Nat Gas. Yesterday, Nat Gas did, had a nice up momentum, but it quickly retraced, and that sell-off, and with today's gap down opening, which has been closed, I kind of have a feeling to go with the momentum, which is selling. So it'll be a short sell to 61 is the target. Then we have gold. Gold is looking to yesterday it did fluctuate lower. It came down to 1900 and it just bounced off of it. It closed higher, and today is looking to push higher. But 1920 has been met as that psychological resistance by the moving average. So let's see if a little more of a pullback is needed. 1915 could be the place, and then boom, another attempt at 1930. So I'm still long gold. I think gold is gonna move higher today. Also silver, which is already moving higher. So I have 2336 as my target. Then we have copper that yesterday it did had a nice momentum to the upside. Today it also went to the upside, but it quickly has retraced, closing below, not closing, but not fluctuating below 380. The moving average is almost just about to make that crossing. The red one is a slow one over the blue one, so that cross could help the momentum to the upside. So let's wait and see if the market will come down at least 378 flat, and then just make another attempt to the upside, or just it'll start rallying to the upside now. Then we have Bitcoin, just Bitcoin, 26,000 is my support. I'm just thinking the Bitcoin is going to just continue to do this side movements. Then we have the currency. The euro is looking to stay north of 106. All right, so that yesterday had a really set of pressure on it. So as same as the pound, and that's really because the dollar index yesterday had it flew pretty strongly above 105, almost 105.50, hit a 10-month high, but it quickly retraced and it opened today with a gap down, a significant one. So I'm going to say that most likely, if that momentum continues, they will see another attempt or more pressure to the downside on our index. And if that's the case, as we come down towards 104.50, we'll see a nice pop on the currencies and the metals, also the crude oil. Well, that is it for me. Have a fantastic trading day and nice weekend, and I'll see you on Monday.